Yeah. This is a GT. This is a full suspension mountain bike. I've worked since in
25 years. That one was bought in 1986.
94.
They're a little heavy. Yeah, because mountain bikes haven't evolved to that yet. This one's kind of a progressive mountain bike in the day.
Yeah, that's a full suspension. That's all custom made. The only thing that's original to the bike is the purple frame. Everything else I've done to it.
You know what? The Presidential Task Force goes on YouTube because the media won't cover them. And they're talking about Corona all day.
They do.
Pretty bad when you gotta go to YouTube to get your news. There's straight confidence anyway, without it being fun. What kind of camera you got on board with that?
2.7K. I can shoot still as well as Wi-Fi or video.
Does that have collision avoidance on it?
This one doesn't. That's why I like flying it over here. My channel is called Drone Effects, so I tend to fly through things. Videographer.
Were you a photographer first?
No, I was a RC airplane pilot.
So you got the certifications for your drone?
Oh yeah, I'm licensed.
So then you know flying down here is probably not legal.
It's legal. I use GoFly. I'm perfectly legal to fly here.
Not over people.
I'm not over people.
Yeah, but if you go over people, it's not legal.
I know all the rules, sir. I'm licensed. I'm a Part 107 pilot.
Yeah, I get that.
My drone is not over nobody's. My drone is not over nobody's. Nobody. Right now, it's up there.
I think didn't they write a regulation where you got to have a parachute on it?
No, that's bullshit.
And there's one company that sells the parachute?
No, that's bullshit.
No?
I have Lance approval to be in here and fly.
You got who?
Lance, look it up. Yeah. No, seriously, I'm what they call a Part 107 licensed pilot,
Yeah, I knew that.
and I can fly anywhere. I know the rules. I don't fly over people. You'll never see me fly this drone here over people. But like when I went through there, I looked both ways to make sure there's nobody on that bridge.
But, yeah, okay, so you're all licensed up and you put that on YouTube, and then kids that aren't all licensed up think they can do shit.
No, they know better. First place, this is the only drone out there that anybody can buy right now that